Right, good morning boys and girls. A bit of an update on this Hawkmatic 6. I'm starting to get a bit of a handle on it. Like I say, it's an expensive machine. It's over $1,000 and I paid for this. It's not sponsored in any way, shape or form, so if it fails I'll say that it's a waste of money. Anyway, I'll start this. The only thing is you lose probably about 10% of your tubes, because if they're not perfect they won't load properly. Getting down to the end of this. The other thing I like is it knows when it's not feeding and it will stop it. The same as if it runs out of tobacco, it will stop it. But the important thing is you've got to have the humidity of your tobacco right. There's when it's died and it knows it's stuck. Destroyed that tube. I'll just start it again. But like I say, probably after about 6 months I'll either recommend it or not. The other thing I've learnt that if you've got tubes that just fall out of the way because they're not entirely round, instead of keeping them separate, I was going to do it on the Hawkmatic 3 to use those tubes up. I think what I'll do is I'll just store them on here, because you can select this to manual mode, and I'll just manually load it and that way, and fill those tubes so I'm not wasting them. But at this point in time, like we've done 11, I've lost one. I don't think there's enough tobacco. We need to complete 20. There's probably another 3 left in here. That's alright. So far so good. And I think the other important thing is to actually run it out of tobacco and don't leave tobacco in there. Now it stopped because the tube, there it is there. Don't know if you can see it. This tube has failed to load. The thing is, if I throw that up there, I can straighten that tube out and do a manual. Even some of them that are marginal, they seem to still feed pretty good. So basically 15, I've lost one tube. It's not too bad. I think we're going to run out of tobacco. That's it. Where is it? Clear, add tobacco, yeah. So yeah, so far I'm pleased with it. This is good because if you leave that down, you can actually fill this whole tray up. You can fill this whole tray up with tobacco, and you're not continually pouring tobacco in. Like I piled this up high. I've done about, I don't know, 60 I suppose, not quite 60, and it just drops through this, and also you can see when it's getting low. So the LED lighting is great, I love it, and generally so far it's proved to be good. I've got it on hardness setting 1, which seems to produce pretty good cigarettes. I'll do some experimenting later with changing the that to 1, 2 and 3 and see what it does, but so far so good. So I hope everybody has a good day.